Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your T-Mobile service step by step. So whether you are switching the carriers, closing a line or ending your account completely, the process is fairly simple if you follow the right steps. Now, before canceling your service, first of all, you need to check your account balance and the device payments. If you are financing a phone through T-Mobile, the remaining balance may become due when the line is cancelled. It's also a good idea to check your billing cycle so that you could understand when your last bill will be generated. Now, if you want to keep your phone number with another carrier, you should port your number before cancelling your T-Mobile service. When your new carrier transfers the number, the line on your T-Mobile account will usually cancel automatically once the transfer is completed. To cancel the services directly, you will need to contact to the T-Mobile customer support. As you can see, on this particular page, they have given you a bunch of different phone numbers on which you can directly call them to the customer support team. Once connected with them, a representative is going to basically approve your cancellation request. They may verify your identity and confirm which line you want to cancel. After confirmation, the representative will process the cancellation. So after the request is submitted, you can ask the representative to confirm that the line or the account has been cancelled. So even after cancelling, you may still receive a final bill. This bill may include the remaining balance for your billing cycle, device payments if any, or any additional charges if services were used before the cancellation. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.